All right, here we go. And I'm not talking about the ultimate ninja obstacle course gym. I'm talking about Los Rancheros, antiques, and collectibles. Let's go see what we can find. Definitely gonna need a basket here. I can already sense it. There's another one of those weird occupied Japan clock trinkets. I got a couple of those when I was in Tennessee. I'd never seen them before. Oh my gosh, look at this doll. So cute. But also $50. Let's see. What's going on over here? It's definitely a huge variety of stuff, which is my favorite kind of place. This is cute, this little lipstick holder. Oh my gosh. How much is that? $22.50. I love the banana split. That's so funny, Dairy Queen. Yes, 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 yes. Love this place. Oh my gosh, how cute. $10. Oh wow, she's like plaster too. I didn't. Japan. That's interesting. I don't think I've seen one quite like that before. That seems like a good price. This is very unusual, isn't it? Very strange. This is a weird situation. Not sure how to feel about that. Over here though. Oh, I love the little Japan dolls. Dion quintuplet style. Hilarious tortilla coasters. Love that. Oh my gosh, look at the funny candles too. I love the burger one. These are neat. Used to go onion, salt, and pepper shakers. $30 though. I'm super into this pillow. I guess it comes with the stool. That's neat. $25. Seems super cheap. A lot of toys here. You know, I love going through these toy booths that look like it's all new stuff, because every once in a while there's an old toy in here that's hidden about, and most of the time they're priced pretty reasonably, at least what I find. Oh my gosh, look at the little alien. Oh, wait. See, this is what I'm talking about. How much? $4? Dude, these are insanely hard to find vintage totes. And how much is this one? $15. Oh, I just want to take all of them. This one's $12. Wait, why is this one $4? Oh, I guess because it's repaired. Dang, that's neat though. I think I could still make money on it at $15, but it's more than I want to spend. Oh, they're 70s too. So neat. That one's $12. I'm gonna keep going. I just walked in. A lot going on in here too. Giant doll with the cool license plate. So eclectic. So eclectic. There's a lot of stimulation. I am excited, and I'm excited that I'm on my way home too. My enthusiasm is back, I swear. Wait, 30% off everything in this booth. Hi, name is Angelica. I'm a positive spirit. I don't know if I want to drive around with this energy in my car. This is so cute. Look at this. $4 and 30% off. That's adorable. Look at this weird thing. Another fun case. You gotta really pay attention in here since it's all mixed around. So I did have the thought maybe I didn't read the signs, and I didn't. So I'm gonna go back and do the math on those totes. All right, so if I get all three, it's like 23 for 3, which seems really fair. These are so neat. I'm just nervous about damage. I think I'm just gonna put them in my, oh my gosh, how fun. I think I'm just gonna put them in my basket and see how I feel about it as I walk around, because they are really hard to find. And what about over here? Those are kind of cute, the hobbyists. She's cute too. Being a little picky though. Like I said, I've spent a lot of money and I'm super far ahead, and I have so many antique malls on my list in the next like week. And I love the little sleepy doll, but those actually don't sell that well for me, the Knickerbocker ones. Definitely a little bit overwhelmed. There's so much neat stuff here. Even the newer stuff is neat. Ugh. Like the little happy birthday cat card, that's so cute. Oh, I love it so much. And like this handmade, I think it's handmade, poodle pillow. That's kind of fantastic, 15. Like these are both awesome. The purse and the koi, 25% off. Oh my gosh, look at the pinup girl. Firm. Oh, so neat. A little plastic deer. Oh my gosh. 1956 Cats and Kittens calendar. $15.20. Oh, the Lisa Frank patch, that's expensive. These little mice, 19. Ah, crazed. I kind of want to get the little calendar for cats. Cat calendar. Is this what I think it is? I don't think it is. I'm like looking out for Lisa Frank stuff, because they don't have Lisa Frank stuff where I come from. That's definitely a thing in the West. Look at all the neat stuff in here. Corn vase, $15 and 25% off. This is pie. Oh my gosh. It's got a little chip on the back, but for that price, I really don't care. It's really spectacular. Oh my gosh, wait, I can't even finish in that case, because look what I found. $9 and 25% off Las Vegas Puppy Bank. Yes, please. Oh my gosh, wait, stop. Oh, Earl Bernard, 29. Don't think I can swing 29 on that. Wow, this is so fantastic. Thank you so much, universe, for bringing me here. Okay, back to it. Cats, 29. Fabulous deer situation happening. Little angels. Cute, 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 but I'm holding out because something tells me I have not seen the end of it here. This is amazing. What is going on here? Rosenthal. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so like literally everything in this booth. I love this, but it's super cracked, unfortunately, so I can't really justify that. That's new. Cleanser Kate, 29. Oh my gosh, stop. Look at this little jewelry box. $9. It's got the ballerina. It's kind of weird looking, but does it work? Oh my gosh. Little fairy. Made in China though. I don't think I can get away with that, even though it's probably like late 90s. Oh, how did I not see you? Tulip Girl, $9. That is so cute. Wait, I have to shut this. I'm sorry. Yeah, I can't take that much longer. This is so cute. For $7. She's supposed to be a little nightlight. There's so much happening back here. Some neat stuff. Like I said, I'm being super picky. This is a cool planter. Scotty planter, $2? Why is it $2? I'm confused. I don't understand why it's $2. I keep looking at it and looking at it. I guess I'm just gonna put it in my basket and I'll figure it out later. This is cute. All right. Now this is a little bit newer than I usually do. But it's so cute. It's a little bear on the telephone. It's like $2 too. What about the little elephant figurine? $4. That's so cute. So like 3. I think I'm gonna grab him. And the little sugar cat, even with the discount, it's more than I'd like to spend, even though I could still make a couple bucks off of it. And the mushrooms are fantastic. I don't think I looked over here, actually. I think I just kind of beelined for that case. What's happening here? What a fun head vase. I can't make out what price that says. Oh, $35. This is neat. 30. Love the strawberries. How fun. Whitman Mod Missy. Oh my gosh. How fantastic. At that price, with the wear, I don't think I can do anything with that. Look at this. Lefton Valentine's Day, $70. That's about what I sold my last one for. Mine was like a little bit less. A lot going on here too. I was gonna go check out that mushroom canister set, but I'm clearly sidetracked. Oh, love that dog. Yeah, this is what I was gonna go look at. 100. Oh, looks like treasure craft. Wow, look at that radio. That's fabulous. Okay, lots of signage happening. But I'm going in for the head vases. Let me put this basket down. There's a lot of head vases here I haven't seen before. Look at this one with the little mail envelope. Oh my gosh, 85. Okay, just kidding. The angel one, she's probably expensive. Not go 110. Yeah, even with 25% off, can't really swing that. Let's see what else they got in here. What's this planter in here? This like owl. 20. He's pretty fabulous. Okay, super cute stuff in this case. The Babies album is $7.50. The box set is $24. I can't really get away with that. I didn't really want to get into cases, honestly, but oh my gosh, the Majorette doll. So fabulous. Oh, what's this bowl set? I feel like I should get the baby album at least. I know this is new. It's just so fabulous. I love the real eyelashes on it. Let's see what's going on down here. Good grief. How cool. These wood tiki cups. I'm not sure what's going on there. The tiki bar is fabulous as expected. I don't know where I was going with that. Definitely overstimulated. All right, that's just where I came from. Yes, these things are so weird. I love them. 50% off. It's kind of strange. Definitely different. A lot of this stuff looks to be reproduction. What about this jewelry case? There's been so much stuff I've passed by. Like, every booth is like really packed. Just haven't seen anything else that's really calling my name. And there's so many sale signs and stuff. It's a lot to keep up with back here. Oh my gosh, look at you. $16 though. Grant Crest, Japan. Oh, is that a chip? No, it's not. Shh, this is so fabulous. I think I could still make some money off of it. It's just like, do I want to spend that much? It's so cute. Grant Crest usually sells pretty well too. I think I'm gonna hold on to it. I don't think I can let that go. It's too cute. I'm still considering putting back some of these tote bags just because I haven't really fully inspected the amount of wear they have on them. Oh my gosh, that frame. What's happening here? 7. Little hobbyist piece. That's cute. What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, how cute. 15. Oh, this is so stinking cute. It's got a little pen marker on it. Oh, and it is broken. Dang, for 15. I don't think I can justify it since it is missing its enclosure. Its latch. Dang, that's so hard to leave behind. Oh my gosh, look at the funny Cupid. Ooh, is this one of the, yes it is. I love that color. $12, so that's about retail on that. What's the little ashtray set? Maine. This is a colorful space. Super into it. What about over here? Huh. Not exactly what I thought from afar. A lot of really fun color coordinated, color coordinated? Yes, glass. And I'm back where I started again. What is this cat though? This might be newer. No, I think it's older. Huh. Actually, I'm a little uncertain about that one. Could go either way. What is this? That's just neat. $10 and 10% off. For $9, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and get that, even though it's definitely on the newer side. It's just kind of fabulous. Let's see, what else do we have in here? Ooh, that's new though. So I did go back for the cat calendar and the baby photo album. Both were unused. This is so cute, but for $16, I cannot stop focusing on this manufacturing defect it has. It's hard to tell in the camera, but once you hold it up close in the light, you can really see. I thought it was cracked at first, but it's this manufacturing line that goes all the way around. So for $16, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put that back. So I ended up spending $54 in there. I did put the tote bags back. The more I looked at them, the more I could see they were cracking, and chances are by the time they got to you, it would be worse off. So I think I did all right, and I'm gonna hop in the car. There's so many places here, I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed. I see near a lot of the smaller ones. I'm more in the mood for like big, get lost in antique malls. Oh my gosh, dude, my car is beat. Everything I own is beat. That's one of the major themes of this trip. So I will see you guys when I get to my next stop.